Hello everyone, I'm Giuseppe from Mindstorm Security, and today we will show you our fantastic MACOBOX, the tablet dedicated to IoT penetration tests and forensic analysis. Let's go to see what's inside this fantastic kit. The interesting thing is that you can have an entire laboratory in your hand. First of all, we have this fixed part because we have some cables, some extra support for the PCB we want to analyze. Then we have this big plate that we can install in our laboratory. This one is a magnetic big plate made by PCB plus anti-static plate to avoid short circuit. Then we have eMMC reader from old socket, this one. With this one, you can read eMMC memory, 153 plus 169. And inside you have cable and other adapters. Let's go to see the most interesting part. This kit is composed of two parts, the lower part and the upper part. Let's start with the upper part. So, first of all, we have some anti-static protection. Then we have multimeter. Here we have some tweeters of different sites that can help us to interact with board we want to analyze. Some batteries for multimeter. This one is a screwdriver that is rechargeable through USB-C. Have lights and is completely automatic. We can select the power. The complete kit for screwdriver, tool to magnetize and demagnetize the screwdriver. Then we have SPI adapters. SPI clip adapters. DuPont cable of 30 centimeter, female to male, male to male, and female to female. So 3 type of cables. Portable magnetic anti-static plate. Professional support from PCB. Some other stuff from PCB to fix cable near the pogo pins, and other stuff to interact with the device that we want to analyze. Then here we have some other things. Fit of the portable plate. We have the magnetic support for pogo pins from PCB. The model is SQ10, the latest model. Pogo pins. from PC Byte. And final, but the most interesting part, MACOBOX. The anti-static protection. The MACOBOX is in this position to avoid that the weight of the box can break some pins. Okay. This one is for power and to recharge MACOBOX. Cable for power. And finally, here we have professional case with lamp port, button for power, 4 USB, jack for power, and this one is the bruschetta that is modular. We can change this board with others because we are working on other boards. And here we have JTAG, SWD, URT, SPI socket, SPI clip, and I2C socket. We can also select the right voltage using this one. So we have 1.8, 2.5, 3.3, and 5 volt. Simply insert this one on the 2 pin to select the right voltage. On the back part, we have these supports that help us to interact with MACOBOX in the comfortable way possible. So we can decide the height of a MACOBOX using this one, for example, these two, or using the bigger one. And then if you want to use MACOBOX without supports, we can close it. The tablet have 10,000 milliampere of battery capacity. Before to power on the device, remember to remove these two and put one here. So select CS0 and CX, and the other you can select 3.3 volt. That is standard. And then you can click the button to power on the device.